What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have for you the Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue colorway. Box US size 7. This is wifey's pair. Wasn't able to get my pair, so this will have to do. Check out the back of the box. Side as always, boost. Let's get into the review, guys. Shout out to Extra Butter for these. Won their raffle. First raffle I've won with them. Let's get these bad boys out. Bear in mind this is a size 7, so obviously it's gonna look a lot smaller. But this is a pretty dope shoe. I actually wanted these, but was not able to get them. So check it out. This pair is the third out of the 3 colorways that they released, which was the first one. I forgot what the name of the first one is. Second one was binary or barium, something like that. And then I remember the first one was they had a lifestyle edition and a basketball edition. Basketball edition is going for crazy prices. The lifestyle one is a reasonably priced, especially in my size. They probably go for like about almost 300 on StockX. So maybe I might try to pick these up down the line. I'm not really sure yet, but these are pretty cool, man. I like this. Right here you got your like suede. It's really soft right here, soft suede. You got your side of their prime knit upper with that teal blue inside of the material is all woven in. This heel cup right here, that's a 3M heel cup which wraps around. I mean, Kanye does come up with really good concepts and shoes, because have you ever seen anything like this? No, only Kanye has made something like this. You ain't never seen anything like this that looks like this. I mean, I know I haven't. It's a very different silhouette. It's very, very dope though, I think. And you got your inside, you got your liner inside you. Let's get these laces out the way. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that in there, but if not, it says Yeezy. It looks like it's like a grayish to match this gray right here. But you got your midsole that kind of peeks through on the you can see the boost on the inside there, and then on the bottom you got like this light gum bottom with your boost here, and you got your little imprint there. Says boost. See if you guys can see that. But these are pretty cool, man. They got a nice lacing system. You got your lace with your tips right there. You got all your tags that they come with all the time. All Yeezys come with these tags, if you know Yeezys. Other shoe is pretty much the same. As you can see, front, you got your side, other side, and your back. These are fire, man. I think these get a thumbs up for me. So I would definitely cop these if I had the chance. Well, I tried, but if I would have had the chance, I definitely would have kept these bad boys. But wifey got her pair. She's good. She's happy. She wanted them. I just entered her size in the raffle, and I was able to hit. And that's pretty much how it went down. But like I said, these are fire. I like this whole new silhouette. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much because I never really seen them in hand. I never seen any of the Quantums in hand. I like the 700 movements, minivans, whatever you guys want to call them, the 350s, and I like the 380s. So I guess it was only right for me to like these. These are pretty dope, man. I can't stop looking at these things. I think I might have to scoop up a pair. Somehow, some way, I'm gonna have to get my hands on a pair of these. As far as sizing goes, she's like I said, these are a 7. These fit her well. They fit her good room in the toe box and all that good stuff. So I would say they're true to size. Me personally, I think for me, I'm gonna have to go up a whole size, like I always do on my Yeezys, because I feel like for some reason my foot, it doesn't fit it properly. But I mean, you can't go wrong with these, man. But let me know down below if you were able to cop. Did you get through? Did you win a raffle? Any of that stuff. And make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming with more videos as I get pairs, God willing. You know how that go. But like I said, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.